Welcome to Boundary Ford, located at 2502 50th Avenue in the Lloyd-Minster border city. Today we're checking out this beautiful brand new 2018 Ford F-150 Platinum with the 708 package. Now the exterior color is a shadow black, and under the hood we have a 3.0-liter Power-Stroke diesel V6 engine paired to a 10-speed automatic select-shift transmission. Now at the front we have our LED high and low beam headlamps, as well as our LED daytime running lights and a pair of fog lamps with two tow hooks and our engine block heater. Over at the side we have our 20-inch aluminum wheels wrapped around hand-cooked tires, as well as our retractable running boards and our Power Stroke badging, as well as our chrome mirror caps and chrome door handles. We also have our privacy tinted windows in the rear and our dual moonroof on top. At the rear we have our trailer and tow package, which includes our 4 and 7-pin connection, as well as our spare fifth wheel, along with our LED taillights and our reverse sensors paired to our backup camera. And inside the tailgate we have a tailgate step, and inside the box we have our LED lighting with our tie-down points, and at the rear window we have an embedded defroster with the power slide feature. At the interior we have many driver-friendly features, including tons of door storage, as well as power locks with 3 options of memory seating, as well as power windows, power adjustable and foldable mirrors, as well as our Platinum comes with blind spot information system. And over here to the interior we have our automatic headlamp dial with our LED lighting for under our mirrors, as well as our fully telescopic steering wheel with our adaptive cruise control settings and our information displaying on our trackpad, as well as our trackpad for our entertainment and media controls with our hands-free as well. And as we look up we have our auto dimming rear view mirror with our 3 garage door opener points and our cabin lights, as well as the beautiful moonroof. And as we look at our interior we have our platinum embroidering, as well as our leather seating with fully adjustable seat with lumbar support for the both driver and passenger. And as we look ahead we have our pre-collision warning system, and as we look over here we have our Sync 3 8-inch touchscreen display, which allows for audio control, climate control, including a heated steering wheel for the driver, as well as phone connectivity and hands-free voice activation, navigation, and other apps including Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. And underneath we have our dual climate control area, which allows for air conditioning and heating seats throughout the front of the passenger and driver seating, as well as our dual smart charging USB ports. And at our console shift we have our manual option, which allows for a 10-speed select shift option, as well as our cubby hold with our dual cup holders with ambient lighting underneath. And at our center console we have beautiful stitching, as well as 2 cup holders at the rear and tons of storage underneath. At the rear of our Platinum we have tons of storage for passengers, as well as they can enjoy their own power windows, as well as more storage for them in the rear of the driver and in the rear of the passenger seat. And as we look at the back of our center console, passengers can enjoy a 12-volt adapter with dual heated seats, as well as an AC outlet and dual smart charging USB ports, as well as they have their own ventilation system to keep the air circulating in the rear. And as we look, we have our 60/40 bench seating arrangement, which allows for tons of legroom and lots of head space to fit 3 passengers in the rear comfortably. If there are any more questions about this beautiful F-150 Platinum Power Stroke, please do not hesitate to contact our professional and friendly sales staff. We look forward to seeing you in store and answering any questions that you may have. And I would also like to take the time here to thank you for shopping with us here at Boundary Ford.